So if leadership is not a person, can you tell us about what this means for leadership in the 21st century and as we approach the 22nd century?
Okay. The concept that leadership is a relationship and a social phenomenon was not simply defined into existence recently. It was always a relationship, always a reality, but it was only realized recently. So we didn't always interpret reality accurately because we didn't see reality as it really is. We don't see things that really exist when we don't believe that they exist. So that was partly the reason why this happened with leadership. So in the 21st century, we can no longer ignore or deny the fact that leadership and leader are not synonymous. This means that leadership is not what a leader does, but what leaders and followers do together as collaborators. And this changes everything in terms of how leadership is studied, how leadership is taught, and how leadership is practiced.
Yeah, well, that makes a lot of sense. So if that's the